Hello friends, today we discuss about digestive system. Let we start about digestive system. First we start from definition. Digestive system is an organ system within humans and other animals which takes in food, digest it and absorb energy and nutrients and expel the remaining waste as a feces. The major organs of digestive system are mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and rectum. Accessory digestive organs are liver, gallbladder, pancreas, salivary gland. Next, functions of the GI tract. First one, ingestion. Second, propulsion. Third, digestion. Fourth, absorption. Fifth, elimination. Let's see one by one. First one, ingestion, which means taking of a food into alimentary tract, that is eating and drinking. Second, propulsion, which means mix and move the content along with the alimentary tract. Third, digestion, which consists of two processes. First one, mechanical breakdown of food. Second, chemical digestion of food. First one, mechanical breakdown of food. For example, mastication, which means chewing of the food. And second, chemical digestion of food, which means this is the process by which digested food substances pass through the wall of the some organs of alimentary canal into the blood for circulation. Fourth one, elimination. Food substances that have been eaten but cannot digested and absorbed are excreted from alimentary canal as a feces by the process of defecation. Next, organs of digestive system. First one, mouth. Mouth is the first portion of alimentary canal which receive the food and produce the saliva. The oral mucosa is the mucous membrane epithelium lining inside the mouth. The palate of mouth is divided into two palates. First one, anterior hard palate. Second, posterior soft palate. The vulva is covered fold of muscle which is covered with mucous membrane and hanging down from the middle. Next, tongue. The tongue is a muscular organ in the mouth that manipulates the food for mastication and which is used as an act of swallowing. It is very important in the digestive system and it is primary organ of taste in gustatory system. The human tongue is divided into two parts, that is oral part at a front and pharyngeal part at a back. Third, teeth. The human teeth function to mechanically break down the food by cutting and crushing them in preparing for the swallowing and digestion. Human teeth are four types. First one, incisor. Second, canine. Third, premolar. Fourth, molar, each with specific functions. Fourth one, salivary gland. The salivary gland are exocrine gland that produce the saliva through the system of ducts. Humans are three paired major salivary glands. First one, parotid gland. Second, submandibular gland. Third, sublingual gland, as well as hundreds of minor salivary glands. Next, pharynx. The pharynx is the part of throat that is behind the mouth and nasal cavity and above the esophagus and the larynx or the tubes going down to the stomach and the lungs. The pharynx is the portion of digestive tract that receive the food from the mouth. Branching of the pharynx is the esophagus which carries the food to the stomach. Next, esophagus. The esophagus is commonly known as the food pipe and gullet. The esophagus is the muscular tube connecting the throat with the stomach. The esophagus runs behind the windpipe, that is trachea and heart, and in front of spine. The length of esophagus is 25 cm and the diameter is 2 cm. Next, stomach. The stomach is a muscular organ which is located to the left side of upper abdomen. The stomach receives the food from the esophagus. The food reach the end of esophagus, it enter to the stomach through muscular wall which is called lower esophageal sphincter. Stomach contains two sphincters at a both ends which regulate the food movement. First one cardiac sphincter, second one pyloric sphincter. Cardiac sphincter which is near to the esophagus, and pyloric sphincter which is near to the small intestine, which is divided into four regions. First one cardiac stomach, second fundic stomach, third body of the stomach, fourth pyloric stomach, which is also called as pylorus. The functions of stomach are digestion, absorption and production of gastric juice. Next one, pancreas. The pancreas is a glandular organ in the digestive system which is located in the abdominal cavity behind the stomach. The length of pancreas are 15 cm or 6 inches. It is an endocrine gland with producing the several important hormones, that is insulin, glucagon, somatostatin, pancreatic polypeptide, all these which circulate in the blood. Next, liver. The liver is an organ which is found in only vertebrates, which is helps to detoxify the various metabolites and synthesize proteins and produce the various biochemical necessary for the digestion. The weight of liver is 1.44 to 1.66 kg and the width is 15 cm. It is both heaviest internal organ and the largest gland in the human body, and it is reddish brown in color and wedge shaped. Organs with four lobes are unequal sizes and shape. Next, gallbladder. The gallbladder is a small hollow organ where the bile is stored and concentrated before it is released into the small intestine. In human, it is pear shaped of gallbladder which is lie beneath the liver. The length of gallbladder is 7 to 10 cm and the diameter is 4 cm. The gallbladder capacity is 15 milliliters. Next, small intestine. The small intestine is a part of gastrointestinal tract between the stomach and large intestine. It is where the most end of the absorption of the food take place. And the length is 3 to 5 meter and the diameter is 2.25 to 3 centimeter. The small intestine is divided into three parts. First one duodenum, second jejunum, third ileum. Next, large intestine. The large intestine, which is also known as the large bowel or colon. It is the last part of digestive system in vertebrates. Water is absorbed here and remaining waste material is stored as a fecus before being removed by defecation. The length of male colon is 166 cm and the female colon is 155 cm. The colon is consist 5 sections. First one, the cecum and ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon and sigmoid colon and rectum.